Magyar szólások és közmondások angolul beszélőknek.
Hungarian sayings and proverbs for English speakers. Repetition.
Mindig egy nótát fúj.
Let's take it apart. The word nota means song, specifically a folky song. Not the same as a folk song, which is nótál. The difference is nótál is a traditional style of song. Nota is more modern. I made a short video on some nótál. You'll see the link below. It's not the only word for song. A nota is a type of dál, which is a common word for song, and that in turn is ének. Ének is more than just human singing. A bird singing as well would be ének. So nota is the word for song, and here we've lengthened the A because we need to add a T to make it a direct object. Fúj is to blow. Mindig means always. Egy can mean a or one, but in this case it means one. Always one song he blows. That is, he always plays the same song. He just keeps repeating himself over and over again. Let's look at musical instruments. A musical instrument is a hangser, a noise thing. And if you play a musical instrument, you play on a musical instrument in Hungarian, so you add the en. Hangszeren játszik. What sort of things do you blow on? You can blow on a flute. There's two words for flute.
Furúja, fuvola.
The first one is like a recorder. You blow through the top. And the second one is a transverse flute. You don't play on a flute using the word játszik. You have specific verbs for the flute.
Furujázik.
Fuvolázik.
And you add Z-I-K. In both cases, you need to lengthen the A. A violin, hegyedül. And here, instead of using a Z-I-K, you just use an L. And you put it on the end of the noun, and you need to shorten the U.
Hegedű. Hegedű.
Zongora is a piano, and we're going back to the original form. We add Z-I-K, and we lengthen that A. Guitar. Again, to play the guitar, we add Z-I-K. This time we need a linking vowel. Because this is a back vowel word, we use an O. Gitározik. There are more musical instruments than that. So to what we already got, we can add cello. And Hungarian spells it sensibly with a ch. We can have a drum, which is a dob. Cymbalum, very old and common instrument you'll find in Hungary. A trumpet. And here's one you may not have thought of. Bagpipes. This is not the same as the Scottish bagpipes. So the Scottish bagpipes are called skotduda. This is the Hungarian bagpipes, and I assure you they are a genuine folk instrument. So let's look at when something might happen. When are you going to come round to my place? Soha. Never. And remember, because soha is negative, so if you say, I'm never coming to your place, in Hungarian you have to say, never, I am not coming. Soha nem jövök. Seldom, ritkán. Néha, sometimes, not that often, but sometimes. Mindig, always. Now the one that really gets my goat in Hungary, majd. Sometime, someday in the future. When you get a tradesman saying this, it is just very frustrating.
Mindig egy nótát fúj.
He always plays the same tune. He goes on and on about the same thing. Just like me. I hope you're going to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you are going to use lots of repetition to help get that vocab into your head.